Hi, my name's Tom, and this is my brand new rug. As you can see, it's the multicolored version. I want you to just kind of look at the colors real quick here. You can kind of see what they look like. It's nice, it's got a little bit of everything in there. It's got purples and beiges and pinks and blues and yellows, and it kind of allows you to kind of mix any color you want in your room. So right now we just have one chair there in the corner. We're gonna get the rest of the pieces soon. We're gonna have the yellow walls, we're gonna have blue chairs, we have brown floors, and then this rug, because it has so many colors in it, we can basically do anything we want with this room. We can put pillows on the couches, we can put pictures on the wall. This is a nice multicolored rug for bringing everything in the room together, and it really works pretty well. It really ties the room together. Here's what the rug looks like up close. I want you to kind of take a look at the fibers. It's a typical rug, there's nothing too special about it. It is soft, it's not crunchy or hard or anything. It's soft. It has woven ends there. They're nice and tight. And then on the bottom here, here's the back pad. We don't have any kind of a slip pad right now. It's a big enough rug for us that it's probably not gonna slip much. If you got a very, very small size, you may wanna put a rubber mat down or something to keep it from sliding. But you can see, it's nice and tight, nice and clean. No loose strings, no problems whatsoever. Here it is from another angle. This is again the 9x12 version. It works really well, it looks great. The edges are not gonna be 100% straight. You won't really notice it unless you put it against a straight line. Apparently it's all hand woven, so there are some slight differences in each rug, but it really does look very, very nice. It's not white, it's a beige color in the neutrals, and it's a nice little mix. It's great, we actually really like it a lot. As you can see, it is very colorful. We really do like it. One thing to remember is that it comes folded up, not rolled up. So it does have some creases when you first put it on your floor. But as you wait, each day goes by, it does get flatter and flatter. It kind of evens itself out. So that's fine. We've only had ours for 2 days. We have a couple creases here and there, but it's much flatter than when we first put it out. So we have no problem with that at all. We really like this rug. It adds some warmth and some color to the room. And we're already thinking about getting a second one for another part of the basement just to kind of tie everything together.